Summer Vacations at Kanawal, a tale of two princesses and their exciting adventures. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Lahore lived two little sisters named Irha and Aaira. They were as different as night and day. Irha, the elder one, was bold and daring, always ready for an adventure. She had sparkling brown eyes and black hair that shone like the night sky. Aaira, on the other hand, was gentle and kind, with twinkling blue eyes and soft, wavy brown hair. One summer, the sisters went to spend their vacation at their Mamu's house in the peaceful town of Kaniwal. They were excited to meet their cousins, Mahad, Minha, Ahmed, Rayed, and Arham, all of whom lived there. After a long journey, they finally arrived at their Mamu's beautiful home, laden with bags full of clothes and toys. The first day was filled with laughter and fun as they all played together, exploring the house and eating delicious mangoes and apples. But soon, they faced their first challenge. Their ball had fallen into the dark, spooky attic, and no one wanted to go up there to retrieve it. The brave Irha decided to take up the challenge. Equipped with a torch, she climbed up the creaky stairs. In the attic, she found not just their ball, but also a treasure chest full of old toys and games. It was a surprise they didn't expect. The following day, their mamas, Sohaib and Zohaib, decided to take them to the park. They played with their ball, ran around, and had an amazing time. After 2 hours of non-stop fun, they were exhausted, but happy. The days flew by quickly, and before they knew it, it was time to return home. They packed their bags, said their goodbyes, and promised to visit again next summer. As they left, they felt a sense of sadness, but also happiness for the wonderful memories they had created. On their way home, they couldn't stop talking about their adventures. The spooky attic, the surprise treasure chest, the fun at the park, and the delicious mangoes and apples. It was a summer they would never forget. Finally, they reached their home in Lahore. As they unpacked their bags, they found the ball that had led them to the treasure chest. They laughed, realizing that the ball was not just a toy, but a symbol of their unforgettable summer at Kaniwal. And so Irha and Aaira went to bed that night, dreaming of their next summer vacation. As they drifted off to sleep, their hearts were full of joy and anticipation for the adventures that awaited them.